Hello friends. Most people spend a lot of money on interiors, but their house still does not look luxurious. The reason is simple. They spend money on the wrong things. If you have built a new house or you are renovating one, then this video is very important for you. I will tell you 6 simple things which, if done properly, can make your house look premium without hiring any interior designer. So let us start. Number 1. MDF or HDHMR CNC wall design. New molding trend. The first thing is this new type of wall design. Earlier in 2024 and 25, normal wall molding was in trend and even I was recommending it. But now the trend is changing. If you are doing something new, then do not go for old style molding. This is not traditional molding. Let me explain it in a simple way. On any wall, living room, bedroom or drawing room, you first keep the wall plain. Then you take MDF or HDHMR boards and get them cut using CNC cutting. CNC means machine cutting. So you can make any shape or design you like. You can take ideas from reference images and choose any pattern that suits your house. These MDF or HDHMR shapes are then fixed directly on the wall. After that, you paint everything in one color. You can use PU paint if you want a slightly glossy finish, or Duco paint if you want a more matte look. Even normal wall paint also works. Because everything is the same color, the wall looks clean, modern, and very premium. At this time, this is the best option. Leave wall panels, old molding, and wallpapers. This single thing can make your house look luxurious automatically. The cost is also reasonable. With basic paint, it comes to around 300 rupees per square foot. So it is not very expensive and your living room or bedroom will start looking rich and modern. This is the first thing you should do. Number 2. Plug and play chimney. No pipe, no hole. The second thing is related to the kitchen. When we make a modular kitchen, many times the chimney does not fit properly. Because of this, the kitchen interior can look spoiled. Slanted chimneys usually do not merge well with the cabinets, and normal chimneys either hit the head or look odd. So what is the best solution? Use a plug and play chimney. Let me explain this in a very simple way. In this type of chimney, you do not need to make any hole in the wall. You do not have to hide or install any pipe. It comes like a closed box and is installed directly in the kitchen. This type of chimney is perfect for modular kitchens because it merges completely with the cabinets. It looks clean and modern. You also get it in different colors like black, brown, and other shades. So matching with your kitchen is easy. The biggest advantage is that there is no tension of drilling holes. In flats, many times you are not allowed to make holes. In such cases, this chimney is the best option. You can also buy it online easily. This chimney works using filters that absorb smoke and oil. You just need to change the filter 3 to 4 times a year. Many models have an auto clean feature. Today, slanted chimneys are no longer in trend. They do not give a premium look. Plug and play chimneys look better, merge well with the kitchen, and their suction is also good. Number 3. Concealed door closers. The next thing is about door closers. If you are planning to install door closers like the old visible ones, then do not install them. They look boring and outdated. And many times they also do not work properly. Their time is over. Today, doors are made in a very premium and luxurious way. So using old style door closers spoils the look. Instead, install a concealed door closer. This type of door closer is fitted inside the door itself. When the door is closed, you cannot see the door closer at all. When you open the door, it works smoothly but it stays hidden when the door is shut. Nowadays, all good brands are making these concealed door closers, and you can choose any reliable company. They work very well and give a clean, modern finish. One important thing to remember is that you must tell your carpenter in advance. When the door is being made, the carpenter will do proper cutting at the top of the door and fix the door closer inside. With old door closers, the problem was that they were visible. Dust used to collect on them, and they would get damaged over time. Concealed door closers do not have these issues. They need very little maintenance, and most importantly, they look trendy and luxurious. Number 4. Designer fans, a premium interior accessory. The next thing that makes a house look premium is something people usually choose only for use. But it actually plays a big role in interior design. That thing is the fan. A fan is not just for air. If you install the wrong fan, it can spoil the look of the entire room. But if you choose the right fan, it can make your house look very rich and stylish. Let me give you some simple options. You can choose any one of these based on your taste. Before that, one important tip. Always choose a fan color that is not too bright or loud. Try to match the fan color with your curtains, flooring, bed, or furniture. Similar shades always look more premium. The first type is propeller blade fans. These look like ship propellers. Whether you choose 2 blades or 3 blades, they look very elegant. Many of these fans also come with center lights and remote control options, which you can choose if you want. The second type is curved blade fans. In these fans, the blades are slightly curved. When installed, they look very smooth and beautiful in any room. The third type is multi-blade fans. These are perfect for living rooms or drawing rooms. When you install a multi-blade fan, it adds richness and gives a different premium feel to the space. Next are rattan fans. These are very trendy right now. They are made using rattan material, so they look different from regular fans and add a natural designer touch to the room. The last option is fan chandeliers, also called fan layers. This is like a combination of a chandelier and a fan. You get the look of a chandelier and the function of a fan in one product. These look especially beautiful in rooms with glass interiors. So, whenever you are doing your house interior, do not ignore the fan. Choosing a good designer fan is very important if you want your house to look truly premium. Number 5. Curves everywhere. Ceiling, furniture, accessories. Whatever interior work you are doing, add curves. It can be your ceiling, sofa, TV unit, lamps, wardrobe, tables, anything. Just avoid making everything straight, square, or rectangular. This is not a short-term trend. I was saying this in 2024, it stayed in 2025, and it will remain trendy in 2026, 2027, and even later. For example, when you make a ceiling, do not keep it completely square. Add a soft curve. The moment you add curves, your house automatically starts looking rich and luxurious. If you are making a sofa, give it curved edges. The same applies to TV units. Add curves to the console. If you use rugs under the sofa or bed, choose slightly curved rugs instead of a sharp rectangular ones. Use lamps with curved shapes. When making wardrobes, add a few curved sections. Even tables look better when they have rounded edges. If you use curves properly, your house will look soft, premium, and full of luxury. Number 6. Flooring. Most important. No matter how expensive your interior is, if the flooring is not good, your house will never look good. Flooring is the base of the entire interior, so you must pay full attention to it. Whenever you are choosing flooring for your house, my strongest recommendation is to go with white flooring. Plain white works best. If you do not like pure white, then choose white tiles with very light grains like grey, golden or beige. Try to avoid heavy patterns and too many designs. Also, always choose large size tiles like 3 feet by 6 feet or 4 feet by 8 feet. Bigger tiles mean fewer joints, and fewer joints make the floor look clean, premium and luxurious. Now, why am I strongly recommending white color? Because even if you do not have much interior knowledge, white flooring with pastel or white walls automatically makes any interior look premium. No matter what furniture, curtains, or decor you add later, everything starts looking better. So whenever you are doing interior work in your house, never compromise on flooring. It plays a very big role in how rich your home finally looks. Now tell me in the comments which of the 6 things you like the most and which one you are planning to use in your house. So friends, see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.